Hi friends, it's Miss Hazel
And Miss Kate.
back again after a little bit of a break with some more fun art projects for you to do. Today we're going to make a colorful butterfly because it's spring. I'm not going to show you what it looks like because at the end you'll get to see the magic of how we made it. First thing I'm going to do is protect my surface. I've got a piece of cardboard here that I'm going to use. You're going to start with your piece of paper. It could be any size piece of paper. I have a big piece of paper today. So the first thing you're going to do is fold it in half. Now you've got your fold. We're going to make a butterfly onto the fold. Here's my butterfly that I already cut out. So I'm going to use it and trace my butterfly today. So I put down my butterfly. If you're a little friend, you might need some help. You could have somebody help you draw your butterfly. Butterflies or moths come in all different sort of shapes. So whatever you make is going to be beautiful. You just need to draw it so that when you cut it out, which we're going to do next, you don't cut the fold, because then you'll have two halves of a butterfly that are not together, and that won't work. Oh, so let me trace my butterfly. Trace my butterfly, and now I'm going to use my scissors and carefully cut. Now I made some antennas on my butterfly. It's springtime. In our classrooms, we've got some caterpillars, and then we let them grow, and the school that I'm at, our caterpillars turned into butterflies fast because I think our room is really warm, and some of our other schools it took longer. But you do your best because your butterfly is going to be your butterfly. All right, I've got my butterfly. I'm going to open it up. You want the fold up because when I'm going to put it like this, and now I've got paint. We get this paint from a store called Ikea. The cool thing about it is they have little squirt tops. So now I'm going to go in and you put some dots of paint.
Did it get dried up?
I think it might have got dried up in the end. Okay. So I'm going to put some dots of paint. This is really fun part.
Did you do this because butterflies are symmetrical?
Oh, Miss Kate, what does symmetrical mean?
So they'll be the same on both sides.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's going to be symmetrical.
Yes, because you only do
Oh
one
my
side.
gosh, Miss Kate, you're doing one side and then, ooh, this one's silver. All right, here we go. Also, if it's so much fun, you can make more than one, so you don't have to put so much paint on one. Okay, I'm going to use those three colors, and now this is the most fun. Here we go. Taking my butterfly, I'm going to put it on top. Okay, I'm going to use the flat part of my hand, and gently, I'm going to smush the paint in between my butterfly. I can see, I'm glad I protected my surface, because the paint is squishing out at the end on the tail. All right, now here's the really fun part. It's the big reveal. Ba ba da ba. Go. It's like when the butterfly comes out of its chrysalis. Okay, so here we go.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Isn't it pretty? And then you just lay it down and dry. You could then go back in with a Sharpie or a crayon and make a face if you wanted to. Or we glued jewels on ours in the classroom. So there you have it. A very fun butterfly project for you to do. So thank you for visiting us on YouTube. If you want to see what we're up to, you can look at the World Wide Web. I think the link is right below me. And thanks for coming.
Bye,
Take
everyone.
good care. Bye, friends.